Welcome to the demonstration video of Odoo's Backend Theme, the Arc theme powered by Ksolves. In this video, we will understand two very important features which are progressive web app and mobile responsiveness. So we will start with the mobile responsiveness. To start with that, I'll just go to the inspect page. Here you can see that I have already chosen the mobile option and we have this mobile interface. I can choose the mobile from this any of the phones which I want to. So let's say I will go with iPhone 12 Pro as of now. You can see the app is fully functional as same as in the desktop mode, right? So it completely proves that our theme is fully functional and responsive into the mobile phones as well. Now I'll close this and I'll try to show you the progressive web app. To achieve that, we will go to the settings first of all. Once we go to the settings, we have to scroll down. There is enable PWA settings. Here we have to name it, we have to choose the icon, we have to set up two colors, which is the background color and head theme color. Once we are done with all these settings, then we see this option into our search bar. So install Arc, once I click this and I click on install button, then immediately I can see that yes, once I go to the launchpad of mine, there will be an option of the Arc theme. So basically a progressive web app has been created for the same. So now whenever I click this, I'll enter the Arc theme. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this will be of great help to you. For any further queries or questions, you can reach us at sales@ksolves.com. Thank you.